Okay, so something that you all don't hear a lot about, except for in the interviews on my channel, is advocacy. Okay, now that's not fair to you all. It's not fair to everybody else that's trying to keep people informed. So I've been doing kind of a disservice to everybody, and I apologize for that. So going forward from here, you will see some more advocacy on my channel. Don't know how much it'll be, but there will be some sort of presence there. What I want to share with you all today is an excerpt that I took from the interview with Pippa, and I asked her a question, and the answer that I got was just very simply explained. And I wanted to put it out in this way instead of in the interview because I want people to see it. Okay. So the question was, and it's a question that I've had, that I've seen. Okay. I'm just one person. It's just me. It's just me. What difference can this one person make in regards to advocacy? And here's Pippa's answer.
Absolutely. Have a look at our little ants building their huge ants' nests. Tell that one insignificant little ant that they're not capable of building a big ant's nest. They're going to be stomped by the cows in the paddock. Let me tell you, looking around our local area at the moment with great big ants' nests everywhere, somebody forgot to tell them that they couldn't take over great big nests and make their homes there with all sorts of external influences from bad weather to awful type of predators and all the rest of it. And you know what? There will be people who try and stomp on us. There will be awful predators that will try and belittle us, say you're only one. You know what? You just can't let yourself be sort of stomped on, because this is like about our mates' lives. It's about our families' lives. It's about, because let's face it, nearly everybody knows somebody in their family or otherwise, because we'll put it this way, it's still 10.9% of the non-declining smoking population, here in Australia that still smokes. So chances are 1 in 10 people, have got a chance to make a very good life-changing, healthier choice with this harm reduction technology.